Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's recipe we are going to make our beef cheesy nachos. It's really easy and it's quick for snack and everything like that. So now we're gonna start our ingredients. First, I have 8 ounces of sharp cheddar cheese, 1 cup of whole milk, we have our 2 tablespoons of flour, we have our 1 tablespoon of cayenne pepper, we have our 3 tablespoons of butter, and then 1/4 spoon of salt. We have our plating, our tortilla chip. We're gonna put our cheese and beef this plating later. And now let's get started and make this cheesy nachos. Okay, now we're gonna cook our ground beef. So we're gonna season this with salt and pepper as well. So, and then after that, we're gonna put together into our cheese. Make sure that you will cook this one nice and golden brown. Alright, now it's brown, nice. So then we're gonna drain our fat. Alright, in the pans, we're gonna make our sauce. This is gonna be, so we're gonna put our 3 tablespoons of butter. Just like that. Just melting this one. And then soon we're gonna put our flour. So this is the sauce of the cheese it's gonna be. Next, we're gonna put our flour. So we're gonna turn it down the heat as much as you can. So just gonna mix this one up. And then now we're gonna add our 1 cup of whole milk. Make sure that there is no hard part in there. It's gonna melt all together. So now that it all mixed, I'm gonna add our seasoning. We have cayenne powder, and then we're gonna turn down the heat. And we have our salt. Add all together. Mix it all together, perfect. Then we're gonna add our cheese, small part. Time. And then add the rest of your cheese. There you go. And now we're gonna put our cooked ground beef into our plating. Just like that. You can add more if you like. And after that, we're gonna drizzle our cheese. Ooh. So delicious. And that's it. Alright guys, it's really easy. It's good for snacks, good for appetizer. Try this one at home and let me know in the comment down below.